Hello everyone, today we'll learn about how to create a laser with Dynamic Accounting ERP Software. Join me as I create laser in the easiest way with Dynamic Accounting ERP Software. So today I'll be showing you how to create a laser for particularly sundry debtors and sundry creditors. First of all, let's be clear on what exactly is a laser. A laser is a record keeping system for a company's financial data with debit and credit account records. It holds data that is required for the company's financial statements preparation. In order to create a laser, first of all, we need to log in into the Dynamic Accounting ERP software. I am currently opening our cloud-based software, and the same procedures can be followed in our desktop-based software as well as the mobile application. Next, we will need to extend the quick access section. You can see on my screen that the quick access section is at the left side top corner. Click on it to extend the quick access section. Now, in order to create laser, we need to go to the laser master. As you can see, the laser master is just below quick access. Click on the laser master and you can see that a tab opens on your right side. Here you can input the details and create a laser. So let's create a laser for sundry debtors. Before that, we also need to be clear on who exactly are sundry debtors. Sundry debtors are the parties who owe us the business money. They are the parties to whom we have sold items on credit or cash. As we are making an account for sundry debtors, let's assume that a company, Sagar and Sweets, has bought items from us and has not made the payment immediately. So, they are our sundry debtors. In order to make a laser account of them, we need to add the details here. In the name, we need to keep Sagar and Sweets. Here, we need to choose the laser group as they are our sundry debtors. I am selecting sundry debtors. In this tab, we have to keep the address of the debtor. For reference only, I am keeping the address as Kathmandu, whereas you need to be as specific as possible. Here, we need to insert the PAN number. Please note that the PAN number cannot be more than 9 digits as the software will not allow it. The standard number of digits for a PAN number is only 9 digits. If we move to the section of credit limit and credit days, we can easily put credit limit in amount and credit days according to the mutual agreement between both parties. If there is a closing balance of the firm, then we can insert the closing balance amount in the opening balance section here and can easily select it as if it is credit or debit, and can also put the date in the date from section here. Next, if we want to give another name for the debtor or use a short name, we can insert it here in the alias. I am giving the name as an SCO dot for Sagar and Sweets, which I insert here in the alias. This code is automatically generated by the software. Here in the currency tab, we can also choose the currency that we wish to make the transactions in. We can also assign salesperson for the specific parties in this particular salesman section. In the notes section, we can add things that need to be kept into account for this particular company for the future reference. The other boxes here can be filled with further details. And we need to click on save here. Simultaneously, you can create a laser for your sundry creditors following the same steps. But instead of sundry debtors, now you'll have to choose sundry creditors in the group here. Now we have successfully created a laser in the fastest and easiest way possible with Dynamic Accounting ERP software. Like and share the video and also follow us for more tutorials and contents. Also comment down below on what you'd like to learn next.